NeoTech Process, where next-gen factories, robotics, and sci-fi engineering come to life.
Beneath a storm-lit sky, a colossal plasma factory hums at the edge of the ocean.
Inside, its heart reveals a symbol of controlled lightning, the PlasmaWave Jet Board's birthplace. Far from the factory floor, a lone jet board hovers above jagged coastal rock. Ionized air ripples beneath it. Then the board accelerates over dark water like silent lightning.
This is not yesterday's hoverboard. It rides waves of plasma sculpted from the air.
The PlasmaWave Jet Board is a slender carbon platform, flying without propellers, turbines, or exposed engines.
Its power comes from plasma-coated carbon sheets, fused into one intelligent skin inside an ion storm chamber.
Deep inside the facility, raw carbon powder arrives in streams, feeding towering reactors with midnight black dust. Robotic arms guide the carbon into sealed growth vessels, where pressure and heat rearrange atoms into ordered lattices. Within transparent chambers, graphene-like sheets grow layer by layer, shimmering like black glass under ultraviolet grids. Adjacent doping arrays inject boron and nitrogen, changing how electrons flow through each sheet's delicate lattice. Ultra-thin carbon films emerge onto conveyor rails, flexing effortlessly as robots stack them with micron-perfect alignment. Femtosecond lasers sweep across the sheets, carving nanoscale circuits, channels, and spirals into their dark surface.
Under extreme magnification, tiny coil patterns and ion pathways shimmer.
The prepared stacks travel toward the ion storm chamber, an immense spherical vault wrapped in superconducting rings. Inside, suspended frames hold layered carbon sheets in midair, surrounded by dormant coils and silent injector arrays. Gas floods the chamber, fields ramp upward, and a low electromagnetic hum deepens toward a resonant roar.
Torrents of ions launch from the walls, crossing the void in luminous streams that weave around the carbon.
Controlled lightning lashes the surfaces, bonding a living plasma skin into every etched channel and fiber. The chamber and microcoils resonate together, making the stacked sheets vibrate until they fuse into one aligned slab.
As the storm subsides, magnetic supports release the glowing metamaterial, and robots cradle it from the chamber.
Automated cutters trace the board's silhouette, slicing the slab into a sleek, tapered plasma wave profile. Articulated mills sculpt the underside, shaping shallow channels that will guide compressed plasma and directional thrust.
Assembly drones open the board's interior, inserting the flux-spine power core deep within its carbon heart. Ion gate arrays and inertial sensors slide into place, wiring the platform's balance and atmospheric intake systems.
Along every edge, microfield projector nodes embed themselves, forming a continuous halo ready to shape invisible forces.
The finished shell descends into a cryogenic bath, locking in the storm-imprinted structure with sudden freezing silence.
It rises, dripping vapor, surface still faintly luminescent, as if remembering the lightning that forged it. In a pristine test bay, the board rests on an isolated plinth, surrounded by hovering diagnostic drones. Power from the dock surges into the flux spine. The board trembles as dormant circuits awaken together.
A soft halo ignites along its edges, while the plasma-coated underside begins stripping electrons from surrounding air. Beneath the board, compressed plasma layers stack into an invisible cushion, pushing upward until gravity yields.
Field projectors tilt their patterns, redirecting pressure so the hovering board glides forward in silent, precise motion.
Algorithms watch every micro-adjustment, teaching the platform to translate subtle shifts into arcs, climbs, and hovering turns.
In simulation arenas, swarms of boards sweep above storm-torn coastlines, mapping debris fields over violent, churning seas. Other arrays practice over virtual mountains, slipping across ravines and forests where traditional aircraft struggle to navigate. Herbal testbeds show boards gliding between holographic skyscrapers, tracing traffic-free sky corridors just above shadowed streets. Projected off-world models place redesigned boards over Mars canyons and Titan lakes, riding delicate plasma in alien skies. Closed-cycle power cores drive these platforms without open flame or exhaust, leaving only faint ozone and fading light.
Each PlasmaWave Jet Board becomes domesticated lightning. If you enjoy the video, please like, comment, and subscribe for more.